Dearly beloved, we have come together in the presence of God to witness and bless the joining together of this man and this woman in holy matrimony.
So when I'm thinking about this process, you know, they've been together a long time, and I tell people I knew Lawton before puberty.
Lacey and I have kind of had a front row seat for the last 10 years or so to watch them grow up, really. I mean, if you think about it, we've had a chance to watch them grow up and mature, and so you see confidence, and you see acceptance, and you see them love each other, and you see them get to be really good friends.
Feels like slow motion. I never knew the feeling until you. Every time I see you, I'm caught up in your magic. When I fall to pieces.
It's been my real pleasure to watch the two of them grow up together and watch them sort of make each other better people into what have become two really, really outstanding human beings.
And I think one of the great things you can have in a relationship is to be somebody else's spot they miss. If they miss something, what can you pick up and make them better? And I was fortunate enough to have that. My wife and Lawton, you will be fortunate enough to have that in Virginia. Virginia, hopefully Lawton can feel that with you.
I never knew the feeling until you.
Lawton, welcome to the family. And Virginia's the best daughter ever. Just love her.
Y'all are definitely better together, and I think we learned this early on because we took a few trips without Lawton originally, and we thought, you know, still just family trip. Without Lawton, Virginia was not as pleasant as she is today. We very quickly realized Lawton needed to be around because they really brought out the best in each other.
I, Lawton, take you, Virginia, to be my wife.
Having to hold this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better for worse,
for better, for worse,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till we are parted by death.
until we are parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Lawton, I give you this ring
As a symbol of my vow,
as a symbol of my vow,
with all that I am
and with all that I am
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor
In
you.
the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father,
and of the Son,
and of the Son,
and of the Holy Spirit.
and of the Holy Spirit.
Virginia, he's going to be your yes man, and I can't wait for that, and I'm so happy for y'all.
My toast for Virginia and Lawton is a long, happy life, many blessings, and an unceasing love for the things that are important.
Raise a glass to Lawton and Big Tuna. May they have a lifetime of happiness.
When I look
Now that Virginia and Lawton have given themselves to each other by solemn vows, I pronounce that they are husband and wife. Lawton, give her a kiss.